Today we'll talk about how can you add language you speak on your Reverso context app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here. Just click on settings, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, you come here to I speak, you click on it, and here add language you speak here in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do to add language you speak on your here on your Reverso context app. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.